What's going on, everybody? So one of the shorter videos for just two quick looks for Urban Outfitters t-shirts I got in. So for the very first one here, Home Alone, a classic, my favorite holiday movie, period, by far, especially number one and number two. So rocking the Urban Outfitters Home Alone tee. It's all of Kevin's plans. It's the entire battle plan laid out on this shirt. It has an off-white base to it. I'm wearing a size medium for a little bit of a looser, relaxed fit. And then for the pants, Richie Lee collection cargo pants. So you guys know I absolutely adore these. I'm wearing a size medium in the army green colorway. So yeah, just to give you details there. And then the Adidas Forum Low Home Alone that I picked up last year. They have another one coming out if I'm not mistaken, but the red and white, all of the details present for this pair really hit home for me. And for the second look, yeah, had to break out the most anticipated shoe of the year, and good luck. Hopefully you secured them today if you wanted them. That's the Air Jordan 1 Retro Chicago 2022 Lost and Found. Rocking these with the Fear of God 7th collection camo pants. I'm wearing a size small. This is just how oversized they fit. Picked these up during that crazy 70% off sale fearofgod.com had not too long ago. And then arguably my new favorite shirt. I have to say it. Women don't owe you. Just go ahead and put that there. I may have kids watching, but we don't, and you don't, ladies. So love this shirt. Now it is by Change. You can actually go on their website, and I'll put their website below as well because they offer additional colorways. They have black, but they also have long sleeve tees. They have tanks. They have hoodies. They have more than just what you may find on Urban Outfitters. So again, I'll be sure to put that in the description box. I'm wearing a size medium here as well, so I can have that looser fit, intended just for a relaxed, comfortable look. But thank you so much for tuning in. Act your age, not your shoe size.